Hello YouTube. As you can see, I'm already in my tank top because I forgot to film an intro, but Paul was giving me a little bit of heat about that, so I'm gonna film it now. We just finished doing a chest and bi workout, which went really well. You'll see, it was a really good session. And yeah, I think he was telling me that I should say all those like and subscribe things, but he got me with that one, you'll see. But yeah, if there's any questions you guys have, tips and tricks that you guys want, anything about like that, my English was bad there, brain's a little scrambled, but you know what I mean. Just feel free to hit the comments, tell me what you want to know, tell me what you want to see, and I'll be happy to show you, tell you, and just bring you along on this journey and also help you along yours. So yeah, just sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and see you in the next one.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain.
Okay, so I started with bodyweight dips. I don't think I recorded the first set with bodyweight, but I recorded the set with the added 5 kgs. I just start with any kind of bodyweight exercise, just because the strength that comes from that, is usually like it hits like everything. So just get that to start the exercise, start the workout, and then now I prefer incline or flat any day. Just had my warm-up set with 17.5. Still starting with my baby weights, but we'll get there. We'll see how high we can go today. I'm feeling pretty good, even though I didn't sleep at all. I woke up at 3, been awake since 3. I almost passed out a couple times at work, but it's fine. We're still here, no excuses. Can't rebuild without being in the shop. So let's go.
With the memories like a symphony, and you and I, we got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name?
I don't know if you noticed that little like wiggle I do at the beginning. It's just so I can get my shoulders, my shoulder blades in the right position, so I have my chest up. So I'm using, emphasizing my chest because I'm doing a chest press. Just because if you have your shoulders roll forward, then you end up attacking your shoulders a bit more than you want. So roll back, your shoulder blades back and down, and your chest is up, and you push and squeeze. So that's like the focus when it comes to this exercise. And then I keep my incline quite low because the higher it gets, the more shoulders you work. I'm not doing shoulders, I'm doing chest. So I prefer this. If you prefer anything higher or whatever, up to you. But this feels the best for my shoulders and my chest.
My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love goes, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah.
the last week and a bit that we were coming to the gym on and off, I didn't get higher than 17.5 after doing the English, doing the dips. I couldn't go higher than 17.5, but this week apparently we're feeling good. So that's 22 and a half, which feels good that it's actually moving. I may or may not do another set just because this is moving really well. We'll see how the next set goes. I want to get back to pushing 30 kgs because like that was my standard. Like every workout I at least hit the 30s. So trying to get back there. But feeling good, even though I'm half awake, but feeling good. So yeah, I think the tip I can give is if your shoulders struggle, like if you feel a lot of shoulder pain during your presses, try and tuck your elbows a bit more over 45 degrees than having your elbows split, because yeah, that's not very healthy for your shoulders. So tuck your elbows in, as you can see, like I was pressing like this and not like this. So that, and then obviously like I said, keep your chest pushed out and then have that slight angle and push and squeeze. It's all about getting your biceps across. It's not about making the dumbbells touch, it's about, because all your chest does is it pulls your arm across your body. So when you're pushing, you're kind of converging like that. But it's not about where the dumbbells touch, it's just about how much you can get that squeeze from here and here. It's basically like you're trying to get your elbows to touch and then you get that squeeze. So try to think about that in the next one if you're having any issues with this kind of exercise. Yes. 25 ticked off, so making our way to the 30 kgs. And I think
like, subscribe.
what he said, I think it deserves a like and subscribe, because like I said, I was stuck on 17.5. Like I went 17.5 and then went down to 15. That's how my sets were going last week. So this is a good improvement. I don't know what happened, but we take those wins.
Some things aren't meant to be fair. I know you left me down and out, and now the river is red. Got that hit on your head. Should've buried your dead. Should've listened to me and said, oh, how little you know. You better watch out, my friend. When it goes dark, you better lay low. When it goes dark, you better You should've kept it on your end. Should've been doing yourself. I depended on you over and over again. You think I'll sit here and pretend I don't forgive, I don't forget. Let me
You hit so high, man.
Get the chest up. It's all about getting the chest up.
What are you looking at back then?
What's there? I don't know. But if you see how I start my work, start the set, it's like come and grab it like this. It's just because starting like this is not really good for your shoulders.
Yeah.
So just grab one and then grab the other. It's just a nice way to start, get you ready. Chest up, same thing. If you want to look up to the sky, you can look up to the sky. It might help you a little bit. And then you might see that like my hands kind of like open a couple times, just because like it just reminds me to stop trying to force it like with my arms and do that. Like I said, getting your biceps together. So I just put my hands back, kind of gets that motion instead of me trying to do this. So you want it all in the chest, nowhere else.
That's my friend, you better lay low.
Okay, well it seems like he's in charge today. Making me do a drop set. It's fine. Here for the games, let's go. Okay.
It's a big jet.
Last exercise for chest. I'm not really a big fan of this exercise, but I saw, what's it, 2-time Mr. Olympia, 212 Olympia, Keon Pearson do this. So I was like, okay, there must be some benefits if he's doing it. So I'm going to learn to like it. So like, we'll see how this goes. What I like about this is you can move heavy with like heavier weights, so it makes you feel good about yourself. But let's see what we can do here. Awkward machine. So I'm even more like a child today, but it's fine. I'm on my jungle gym, so it's cool. But we think this might make us feel better, but I'm not too sure. I feel like I'm further away. Like, let's. Yeah, I'm further away. So like when I pull back, I hit the thing before. Let's try it. Something else. Does me better. But also the weight's heavy now. I don't know if you noticed, at the end of some of my sets that were like really heavy, really hard, I would do like half a rep It's just to push out like any little bit of energy you have left. And I'm doing it in the stretch position because stretch is where you really tear the muscle. So even though you can't really move it all the way, you're still just getting that last little bit of like damage to the muscles to make them grow. So try that, like when you've used all your energy, just do like half reps, partials, just to get that last little bit, get that pump. I feel just like a proud father. He just said that he's low-key into chest because he loves arms. I hate arms. But he's like, actually, I think I'm kind of into chest. I feel like I'm doing something right here. We're going to convert to chest and back all the way. Legs.
We're a long way away.
Yeah, we're a long way away from that one. But yeah, let's move away from arms. Let's like the whole body. Let's get there, the whole body. But yeah, here we're doing a back off set. So we've dropped back to like our starting weight after doing our peak set. So just back off set, pump out last bit of energy, just get as many reps as I can, and then we're done for chest, and then we move on to arms. Buys now. Starting with the preacher curl. We wanted the machine preacher, but the gyms have been busy as hell recently, so we don't get to choose what we want anymore. But that's fine.
New Year's resolution, people.
New year, new me. But I guess I'm doing the same thing.
You were training last year.
But yeah. So second set. Started going with the 20s now. Like I said, I don't like arms, so we'll see how the weight moves. But all I focus on with preacher curl is I try and get the seat as low as possible, which isn't great on this one, but get as low as possible, and then really sit your armpits basically over it and have your triceps push real hard against it. So if you push, if you lean, you press against the pad, and it gives you some extra force to pull up. And then you'll see some of my reps, I curl my hands down like this. It's just so it puts a little bit more tension on the bicep. But I don't do that for all the reps because it's hard. So you'll just see a couple of those, I'll do that. So let's get it. Okay, and another thing to pay attention to is not just ripping halfway, because a lot of people just do that, where they like to look at their biceps looking big. But like I said, for chest, getting that stretch, so getting all the way down, you see my reps go there. So you'll see that makes it a lot harder. So you'll see me not moving a lot of weights, but you really get the whole motion from the top to the bottom. Get a nice squeeze, get a good pump.
From the top, make it.
You'll get arms like mine. I'm joking. You get big arms.
In the corner of the room, not ready to resume, 'cause like I'm taking, don't wanna be alone, but I'm not in the zone. I'm looking for somebody, I'm
Can't get that on tape. Can't get that on tape.
Well, we did it, so it's fine. So the last exercise, it's not exactly what we wanted to do, but like I said, the gym's full, so we make do. I'm doing relatively low weights, lots of reps. I just prefer that for arms. So yeah, but we'll see. The arms are really tired after the last one, so I don't know how many reps I'm gonna get. Paul said 15 minimum, so I got 15 minimum. I think that was like 15 and a half.
We like that. We like that.
Paul made it apparent to me that I said it was busy as hell and there was like barely anyone behind me. It's busy on all the machines we want.
Facts.
But finished my last set. I'm ready to be done. I need to pose and then go home.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history. Yeah.